I'm Katrina and I'm the Health and Phys Ed teacher at Roebourne District High School.
When I first started at Roebourne District High School in 2021, I faced many barriers, including being a young, female, graduate student who's non-Aboriginal. I also found teaching subjects such as relationships, puberty, sexuality really daunting and uncomfortable. After reaching out to support to the local Aboriginal Health Centre, I heard about the program Mooditj from a sexual health worker named Tommy. Mooditj means deadly in the Noongar language. The Mooditj program is a resilience, relationships and sexual health education program for Aboriginal young people. I thought it's perfect for our school.
While I'm a teacher at Roebourne, I'm also a registered nurse and a sexual health nurse. So using those people that are going to be able to help you and support you and provide you with up-to-date information. She has made connections with the local Aboriginal Medical Service, Murrungata, and has had their sexual health workers coming in, as well as all of the team at Wax Pop Health.
It's made up of 3 parts, one being Mooditj Me. Mooditj Me helps the young people find themselves and how they're strong. It helps them grow their inner strengths and pride and have a good sense of their identity. They learn to deal with strong problems in a safe way and to get help when it's needed.
We create a safe place in the classroom by setting a Mooditj agreement, which the students and myself as the Mooditj leader, and we have an AAO who's also Mooditj trained in the classroom.
Hi, my name is Crystal. I'm an AIO at Roebourne District High School. I'm a Ngarian woman from up the Kimberleys, and I reckon that my Mooditj program is awesome for these guys in Roebourne District High School.
The second part, Mooditj Mates, helps young people develop their skills to grow solid friendships and relationships with other young people. They learn to express themselves and work out ways to get through problems in safe and respectful ways. Before the final part of Mooditj, which is Mooditj More Than Mates. This helps young people make positive and informed choices about their sexual health and well-being.
I think Katrina is a very deserving recipient of the RSE award because after working with her for the last 2 years at Roebourne, I've watched her grow and develop her curriculum. She is always trying to find the most up-to-date information and deliver that information in the best way possible for our very unique context here in Roebourne. And she's doing such a great job that she was actually selected to revise some Northern Territory curriculum and look at how we can change that so we can make it appropriate for the Kimberley and the Pilbara context.
After being trained as a Mooditj leader in 2022, now relationships, puberty and sexuality has to be my favourite subjects to teach. The students are so engaged in it, they love it, they have fun, they laugh. I believe that through creating a safe place and allowing open and meaningful conversations in my health lessons, with the hands-on experience that Mooditj allows me to implement, we have started creating a positive culture around relationships and sexuality and respect within our school, in which I hope is starting to spread within our community.